Hello friends, welcome to Zack's pronunciation. This cooking term is pronounced soh-TAY, soh-TAY, soh-TAY. Soh-TAY is a cooking method used a lot in professional kitchens and home cooking. Sauté. To saute means to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter over relatively high heat. Sauté. It uses a shallow pan like a frying pan. Food is usually cut into small pieces, cooked for a short time. The pan is often shaken or stirred to keep food moving. Sauté. It means jumped. The word comes from French because the food seems to jump in the pan when stirred. Sauté. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.